use crystals and herbs for healing and protection. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to this peaceful oasis of natural healing and protection. In today's journey together, we'll dive into the enchanting world of crystals and herbs. These treasured gifts from nature have been cherished for centuries for their ability to enhance our well-being and create a shield of positivity and protection. So grab your favorite cup of tea, find a cozy spot, and let's unwind as we explore how to combine these powerful tools to nurture your body, mind, and soul. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Like this video to show your support and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's create a community where we grow and heal together. Crystals are dazzling stones formed over thousands, sometimes millions of years beneath the earth. But beyond their beauty, they hold vibrant energy that can positively influence our emotions, thoughts, and surroundings. Each crystal has unique properties. For example, amethyst is known for promoting peace and tranquility, while black tourmaline is highly regarded for its protective qualities. When you connect with a crystal, you're aligning yourself with its energy, allowing it to work on restoring balance, lifting your spirit, or even protecting you from negativity. Like crystals, herbs have been used across cultures and centuries for their healing power. For instance, lavender can calm your nerves, chamomile is wonderful for unwinding at night, and sage has become known for its ability to energetically cleanse spaces. Using herbs mindfully allows us to tap into their soothing, restorative properties, not just physically, but emotionally as well. You might be wondering, what happens when crystals and herbs are combined? The answer lies in energy. Crystals and herbs each carry their own natural vibrations, and when used together, their energy enhances each other to create a beautiful synergistic effect. This pairing has deep roots in ancient traditions where they were often used in ceremonies and rituals designed to heal and protect. Let's take a closer look at some must-have crystals. Amethyst, known for its calming energy, it's perfect for meditation and sleep. Rose quartz, the stone of love, fostering self-love, compassion, and emotional healing. Black tourmaline, a protective crystal that shields against negative energy. Here are a few essential herbs for healing. Lavender, known for its calming and soothing properties. Chamomile, a gentle herb perfect for relaxation and deeper sleep. Ideal for energetic cleansing and creating a positive environment. Now that we understand the basics, here comes the exciting part, putting them together in meaningful ways. By pairing the stabilizing energy of crystals with the nurturing power of herbs, you can amplify their effects and turn your daily habits into transformative rituals. Let's explore a few examples. End your day on a serene note by using rose quartz alongside lavender. Rose quartz will fill your space with loving, positive energy, while lavender, used as essential oil, tea, or incense, will relax your body and mind. Start by placing a rose quartz crystal near your bedside. Brew a cup of lavender tea or light a lavender-scented candle. Sit quietly, hold the rose quartz, and focus on your breath. Allow yourself to let go of stress as the calming vibrations of the crystal and herb envelop you. If you're feeling weighed down by negativity, combine obsidian and sage for a powerful cleansing ritual. Obsidian works as an energetic shield, while sage clears away unwanted energies. Begin by lighting a sage bundle and allowing the smoke to move through your home or space. Hold an obsidian crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and set the intention to let go of negativity. Visualize your space being filled with light and positive energy as the smoke and crystal work in harmony. For a night of deep rest, pair amethyst with chamomile. Amethyst soothes mental chatter, while chamomile supports physical relaxation. Create a calm atmosphere by dimming the lights. Place an amethyst crystal on your bedside table or under your pillow. Sip a cup of chamomile tea before bed while holding the crystal in your hand. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on relaxation, and let the day melt away. Creating a healing altar is an inspiring way to build a sacred space in your home. Select a small area to display your favorite crystals, such as rose quartz, amethyst, and black tourmaline, alongside herbs you love, lavender, palo santo, or even small potted plants. Use this space for meditation, intention setting, or simply as a visual reminder of your self-care journey. Healing doesn't have to stay at home. You can take these tools with you. Carry a pocket-sized crystal, like black tourmaline, for protection throughout the day. You can also make a portable sachet by filling a small bag with dried herbs like lavender or sage. Keep them in your bag or pocket for calming energy on the go. Both crystals and herbs are immensely powerful, but their true magic awakens when paired with clear intention. Whether you're seeking emotional healing, physical relaxation, or protection, take a moment to set your focus. Hold your crystal or herb, close your eyes, and say your intention aloud or in your mind. This act infuses the tools with your purpose, amplifying their effects. Imagine slipping into a bath that rejuvenates not just your body but your spirit. Fill your tub with Epsom salts and add calming herbs like eucalyptus or rose petals. Place a clear quartz crystal beside the bath to amplify the energy. Soak not just to cleanse your body but to refresh your mind and spirit. To refresh your living space, try making an herbal spray charged with crystal energy. Infuse a jar of spring water with herbs like lavender or rosemary. Add a few small crystals such as citrine or clear quartz, and let the jar sit under moonlight overnight. Strain the herbs in the morning and transfer the infused water to a spray bottle. Use it to refresh rooms, surfaces, or even your energy field. Meditation is a wonderful practice to pair with crystals and herbs. Light a lavender incense stick to create a calming environment and hold an amethyst crystal in your hand. As you breathe deeply, let the vibrations guide you into a peaceful state. This combination can help deepen your meditation practice and quiet your busy mind. Crystals and herbs can even inspire your creativity and inner reflection. Place a grounding stone like smoky quartz or a heart-healing crystal like rose quartz on top of your journal. Sip a calming cup of chamomile tea as you write, and let their supportive energy flow into your thoughts. It's important to cleanse both your crystals and herbs regularly, as they can absorb energy. Cleanse your crystals by placing them under moonlight, rinsing them with water, or using the smoke from sage or palo santo. For herbs, store them in clean, dry spaces and replace them when they lose their scent or vibrancy. When life feels overwhelming or stressful, maintaining energetic protection is key. Tools like black tourmaline and sage create a buffer that shields you from negative energy while keeping your own vibrations high. Adding these practices to your routine can build an inner resilience and peace. If you're dealing with tough emotions, certain combinations can provide comfort. For stress or anxiety, use lepidolite with chamomile tea to restore calm. For times of grief, blend rose quartz with lavender oil in your personal care rituals to encourage self-compassion and healing. Some may view crystals and herbs as purely symbolic, but they hold a legacy of functional wellness backed by centuries of wisdom. While their effects may vary from person to person, combining them with intention and mindfulness allows anyone to experience their benefits. It's important to handle crystals and herbs responsibly. Some crystals, like malachite, are toxic if placed in water and should not be used in elixirs. Similarly, certain herbs may cause allergic reactions or interact with medications. Always research and use these tools with care. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work the same way for another. Experiment with different combinations of crystals and herbs to find your own rhythm. Trust your intuition. It will guide you toward what you need most. Thank you for joining me in today's journey into the magical world of crystals and herbs. Whether you're creating a calming ritual, protecting your energy, or simply seeking balance, these natural tools have so much to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing, wellness-filled content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. May your days ahead be filled with light, love, and serenity. Embrace the wisdom of crystals and herbs and allow them to guide you on your path of healing and self-care. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next wellness journey.